It worked. Oh my goodness.
Hi you, I know how it feels and I know that you want to feel the way I feel in this video. So keep watching to learn the tools that I used and the steps that I took to get this result. The other day I was working on my laptop and it suddenly went off, didn't turn on at all. I thought, oopsie, I didn't plug the AC adapter, but when I checked, the AC adapter was plugged in and still in good condition. As best in troubleshooting, I tried all the troubleshooting hacks. So this is how I solved my no power issue for my Dell laptop. And if you watch to the end, you will find out all the hacks that I tried and which particular hack helped me. Let's go.
I tried the hard reset, the one where you press here for 30 seconds. It didn't work. I tried 15 seconds. It didn't work. I tried 35 seconds. It didn't work. I changed charger. I also tried alternate shift. Everything did not work. So I had to like go to Dell website and check. At first I searched my Dell laptop not turning on, and it gave me result of when you have a black screen or a blue screen and all that. Then I changed it to my Dell laptop is not switching on. At first it was my Dell laptop is not turning on. Then I changed it to my Dell laptop is not switching on. And it gave me options, which I went to the Dell side and it said something about resolving no power issues. So it was from resolving no power issues that I went on to see resolving battery issues. In short, they said the resolving no power issues, one of them was like quick steps to recover your Dell computer from a power issue. So it took me to how to troubleshoot no power issue, and I followed that troubleshooting step. There are different ones. Disconnect all peripherals, I've done that. Connect to a known power outlet, I've done that. Inspect the AC adapter, I've done that. Everything was good. So the power drain part is the part that saved my laptop. Oh, it is. Look at God. Wow. I was thinking of taking this thing to our IT guys at the office and just begging them to help me in their spare time look at how to help fix this issue. But wow, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. See, it's good to do DIY, man. Though I had issues because I don't have precision. These are my precision screws. This one was too big. I used to have it before when I used to play with my phone, but I gave that. Yeah, I gave them out. So this is what I used, and one of the screws around here gave me so much headache. Guys, I'm so glad this has worked. So this is how I solved my issue. Oh, I'm so happy. Now I get to edit videos for you guys, but not tonight because it's already 12 a.m. I've been doing this thing since around 10:30. My main issue was just getting one of the screws out. We took over more than half an hour to get that screw out, but I'm glad everything has worked out fine now. And we're back. See ya. Finally, let me open. Oh man, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After almost 30 minutes, I finally got this thing out, but not without scratching this a little bit. I hope this works fine. So now I have to unplug the battery. This is the battery. But where is it plugged? Oh, it's plugged here. I have to carefully unplug it. But let me check the user manual because I don't want to ruin everything. The essence is to get it to work and not to ruin it. I think it looks like I have to unplug it here, but I'll see how that works. Oh, look at the fan. That's the don't blow either. So going to internet, I have the manual here and I'll follow the instructions. Peel the tape. This is the tape. Wait, am I peeling the right way? Here. Oh, Jehovah, mother. Peel, peel here. Oh, peel this way. This way or this way? Ready? Oopsie. Disconnect the battery cable from the system board. I peel the tape. One.
Hi, I'm James, and in this video we are taking a look at this, which is a Dell.
Gently. Oh, it's coming out. It's coming out. Yay! Done. The next thing they asked to do was to
flip the computer to its upright position. Press and hold the power button for 15 seconds. Keep in mind the laptop is not supposed to power on during this step. To reconnect the battery, plug the battery cable back into the motherboard. Make sure the plastic piece is properly connected. Secure the bottom panel with the screws. Reconnect the charger and power on the computer. Was the laptop able to power on? If not, skip to the next section.
all right. It said to flip it back to the position, which I have just done, and oopsie. Oh no, don't connect. Just sit nicely, okay? And then press this power button for 15 minutes. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, now that is done for 15 minutes. Go back, reconnect the power button, or the power cable, whatever it's called. Can you see? Put it for you to see. Reconnecting this. Oh God, I hope I've not damaged some little things on my laptop in the process. It's not properly connected, so I have to is it? It's not sitting fully. And then I'll put this back. Perfectionist, let it go. I think it's supposed to be like, oh gosh, really close. think it's okay. Yep, I think it's well aligned. So put this back. This thing gave me headache. I have to put them back though. But I don't know. My paranoia is telling me that this is not closed properly, but it is. Look, it is. It's closed properly. How more close can it be? This is sitting nicely too. You are closed properly, okay? Right, so putting this back, you stressed me. This one stressed me, man. Probably should do like this. I need to buy precision screwdrivers and stop using kitchen knife. I used to have them, but I chucked them away because I stopped doing DIY. No, I guess I need them again. This better work. Don't know if I should screw the knot now or I mean if it doesn't work I'm not going to do shit again, so probably just screw the nuts. Yeah. Oh my goodness!
Reconnect the charger and power on the
It
computer.
worked!
Was the laptop able to power on? If not, skip to the next section.
It worked! Oh my goodness. I just flipped my laptop. I didn't even connect it or whatever. I just flipped it and I saw the light come on as I opened blue screen. Ha! Oh my god. I can't believe this. Oh, Jesus. But what happened? Why? Basically, it went off since yesterday night, and I decided to tackle it this night. This Dell helped fix this Dell. Siblings. See ya.